Ha? Right? Pero kahit magkasakit ako, right? May pambayad ako because of AXA Philippines. Ergo, hindi ko kailangan magbenta ng ari-arian. Hindi ko kailangan magbenta ng katawan ko. Hindi na nga pwede. Hindi na, mamamatay na nga eh. Diba? Right? But having said that, that's the good thing about AXA of life insurance. Pag uwi mo sa galing hospital, hindi ka pabigat. Tama ba? Correct? Which I have experienced, by the way. And later on, Alex, I'll share that with you guys. Okay? Alright? Now, having said that, when it comes to AXA Philippines, no? Wait lang. This will be your journey today. Okay? This will be your journey today. And what is that journey? This, number one, you are now having your AXA Discovery Day. Which means you would like to discover more about AXA Philippines. What's in it for you? Why are you here on a Saturday morning? Tama po ba?
Paano hindi ako magda-doubt at that time? Pinakita nyo ba? Nandyan ba, boss, yung picture ng resume ko? Tingnan nyo nga, I was hired as a manager, but look at my credentials. The only thing na maganda sa resume ko ay nagtrabaho ako sa bangko. I don't have any experience. I was 26 at that time. Ang lagi ko ang tanong during the training, may maniniwala ba sa akin? Diba, 26 years old, wala masyadong experience. This is my first insurance industry. I was so scared. I was so, parang mukhang crazy nga ako. Bakit ko tinanggap? Diba? Yun yung fears ko at that time. Walang opisina. For me, I'm so young. I don't have any network. Hindi po ako, kita nyo naman siguro ang aking aura ay hindi naman masyadong friendly. Diba? At mas more than pa nga before, na-improve na nga ngayon. Ano? Medyo may pagkamataray. Pero mabait po ako.
Totoo yan, mabait.
Ganito lang talaga ang facial expression ko. Hindi, yan yung reality at the time na nag-uumpisa talaga ako. Nag-worry ako, wala akong network. Napakababaw ng experience ko for me to become a manager dito sa AXA Philippines. And at the same time, walang opisina. But you know what? Pinagkatiwalaan ko lang si Lord din. Parang, Lord, dinala mo ako dito. Para ano? Para ipahiya ako? Hindi. Dinala mo ako dito because I know that I am going to be a blessing dito sa lugar na to. And yun. Kaya naman pala eh. After 6 months, I was able to deliver 1.6 million pesos. 6 months.